Want to send automated emails to leads in Housecall Pro? In this video, I'll show you how to do that step by step so you can save time, improve your lead management, and streamline your process, all within this powerful software. Stay tuned till the end because I've got a special bonus for you that can help you get started for free. Housecall Pro is a robust platform designed to help service-based businesses manage their operations, including customer communication. One of its best features is the ability to set up automated emails to your leads, helping you maintain consistent communication without lifting a finger every time someone expresses interest in your services. To get started, log into your Housecall Pro account. Once you're in, head over to the marketing section on the left-hand sidebar. This is where you can start building automated email campaigns for your leads. In this section, you'll find tools for email templates, campaign scheduling, and the option to send out automated follow-ups. First, you'll want to create an email template. Under the Email Templates tab, click on Create New Template. This is where you can write your email content. Whether it's a welcome email for new leads, a reminder about your services, or a thank you note for booking a job, Housecall Pro allows you to personalize the email with variables like the lead's name or job details. Once you've created your email template, head over to the Campaigns tab. This is where you can set up the automation rules. You can select the trigger for your email, such as when a new lead submits a form or books an appointment, and then choose the email template that will be sent automatically. You can also customize the timing of your emails. For example, you might want to send a follow-up email 24 hours after a lead fills out a form, or maybe a reminder email 2 days before an appointment. A great thing about Housecall Pro is its flexibility. You can segment your leads and send different emails based on their actions. This makes it possible to tailor your emails to specific customer needs, increasing the chances of converting them into paying clients. After setting up your campaign, you can test it to ensure everything works smoothly. Housecall Pro allows you to send test emails, which is crucial before your automation goes live. Testing ensures that your leads are receiving the right information at the right time, with no errors. Now, I know you're probably thinking, how does this save me time? Well, automation means you won't have to manually send emails to every lead. With these automated emails, you can nurture leads without doing any extra work. Plus, because they're automated, your business will run more efficiently, and you'll never miss an opportunity to engage with a lead again. You can also track the performance of your automated emails by looking at open rates, click-through rates, and responses. This is key data that lets you tweak your strategy and improve your campaigns over time. Before we wrap up, here's a special bonus for you. If you want to try Housecall Pro for free, click the first link in the description below for an exclusive trial with extra perks. I've partnered with Housecall Pro to give you access to a free trial so you can explore all the features we've talked about today. By now, you should have a solid understanding of how to send automated emails to leads in Housecall Pro. This tool is perfect for anyone looking to streamline their lead follow-up process and grow their business more efficiently. So, make sure to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the link below and get started today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.